Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the GoPro Dual Battery Charger. It is a kit that came with two of these Enduro batteries. This kit comes with a charging cord, of course, and there's your charging port right here on the back. Plugs in. So it's a nice little compact, lightweight system for charging your GoPro batteries. Here's a look at the pins on the inside, and up here at the top are your LED battery charge indicators. The batteries are easy to install. You just simply slide in, press them down. Now you charge it in, you're ready to go. I'm using these batteries for my GoPro 10 and they work perfect. For me, these Enduro batteries, they last longer and also they perform much better in colder weather. So if you're using a GoPro in cold weather, you're going to want to pick up some of these Enduro batteries. And of course, this charger will also charge your old style GoPro batteries as well. There's the charging indicator. So yeah, you're good to go. So I really like this GoPro charger with the Enduro batteries. This whole kit is great. It'll allow me to charge these batteries and keep filming. So if you're looking at it, I hope you found my video helpful.